everyone, welcome to Healthify My Life. This is HealthifyCoach Zoraida. I'm just contemplating the first arrival of Osmia bees, and this is a system that was made because the Osmia bees like to have their nest in an opening. We use bamboo, in this case bamboo sticks, or we cut the bamboo we had, and then they can make their nest here. I'm not sure how long the nest is. I think it's 20-25 centimeters long, and the first ones, the first to be there are the females, and then the males at the very end, because the males are the ones who just leave the nest very fast. And here you can see a special protection, because gourmand birds like to eat a lot from the bees, of course, and it's a little bit extra protection. And the sides also giving an extra isolation against winter, wind, and at least it's giving a little bit of protection. I think it's very useful. And the cerise curls of the tart, cherry on the cake is sealing. This will provide extra protection when it rains very hard, when we have had a lot of storm. And we are now just assembling it. Yeah. Vamos a ponerlo. La vamos a colgar aquí.